We're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show the video tag. You can see it as the equivalent of the audio tag. So it's used to embed media, and in this case a video file. You can use object instead, but it's always a good idea to be specific with these tags. So whenever you have a video file to embed, it's better to use video than object. Once again, it's the same as with audio, so we need the source inside. And we have to define our source, so src attribute. Here I have a video file created, and inside I've got a simple clip. I've called that video1, it's an MP4. So I need video1.mp4. And if I refresh my browser, you can already see it. It doesn't have any controls, and it's a little bit big. So let me go down with the height to 300 pixels. Now we can see properly, but still no controls. We have to add them right here in our video tag. And now we have them. I can play this clip and it runs in my browser. At 9 seconds it's going to stop. We can loop it so that when it comes to the end it jumps directly to the start. Or we can also add autoplay. You can see it runs from the start and it loops for the entire duration. You can also define a width, but be careful. When I, for example, add width 300, we don't get a square. So in this case, the height is overwritten. It's a good idea to only define one size, and the other one is then resized accordingly. There are a couple of more attributes that we can use with video, but the most important are already there. So controls, loop, autoplay, we can also mute it. In my case, the video doesn't have audio, so it's muted by default. You can also add a second source, so just in case the browser can't embed or can't use MP4s, maybe you have an MOV file. On AVI, you can add this as a second and third source, depending on how many you've got. The first option is always used by the browser, if it can use it, so in my case the MP4. And these are the basics of using this video tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.